Welcome you all to the Theatrama 2012 and 13. Your arrival fills us with enthusiasm, just as flowers fill the atmosphere with fragrance. With this, I would request our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Mona Lakhanpal, to formally welcome our Executive Director, Sir, Mr. Gurpreet Singh Sachdeva and Mrs. Taruna Sachdeva with flowers. We are happy to have you amongst us, sir. I would also request our respected principal ma'am to present the flowers to Mrs. Namita Malik, principal of the junior branch. We welcome you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. As lighting of the lamp is our traditional auspicious ceremony, I would request our respected principal ma'am to escort our Honorable Executive Director, Mr. Gurpreet Singh Sachdeva, along with Mrs. Taruna Sachdeva and other dignitaries to light the ceremonial lamp, please.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
Now, I would request our role model, our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Mona Lakhanpal, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon, everybody. On behalf of entire Maxford team, I welcome you all to our annual theatre festival, Theatrama. I also welcome our young and dynamic leader, whose vision and timeless efforts are helping the school to grow to its full bloom. Honorable Executive Director, Sir, Gurpreet Singh Sachdeva. I also welcome Taruna ma'am. It is that time of the year when we all are gearing up to welcome the new year, and at the same time are filled with joyous moments, as today is a special day. It's special not only because it's Christmas, but also our young Maxfordians are going to rock the floor. We at Maxford do a number of activities besides academics. Theatre is one of them. For Maxfordians, school is a home away from home. Yes, we agree with this, as they spend a quarter of the day with us. So, it's our duty as academicians to ensure that we provide the best to them in their second home that rightfully is theirs. To fulfill this endeavor, cooperation and support from the parents is highly solicited. We also have a strong faith that learning occurs better when the learner is involved in the process of learning. Our ambit includes a local and social focus on economical awareness, art and craft, and creativity. So, I feel proud to say that Maxford is a workshop for inventors, as we honor their thinking and always encourage the young learners. We empower them with creativity, confidence, and character building. During these years, we have come to an understanding that whenever children do project work, group work, theatre, they learn a lot of things like team dynamics, leadership, discipline, perseverance, and so on. They are able to express themselves better, and so thus they become better communicators. The mesmerizing performances by our young Maxfordians will be staged today, and very soon they are going to put the stage on fire. They have rigorously worked hard to put up this show, and it is their sheer confidence that would be clearly visible once they will hold the stage. The energetic Ganesh Vandana by the students of class 3, the Kathputli dance, where the children are actually going to be immersed in their characters. The performance by class 2, the elements of nature, Panchbhutam, where they would be dancing on the tunes and would be trying to synchronize their steps. And here, I would just like to share an anecdote, that is during rehearsals, when the children were doing practice, one of the child came up with a statement, "Arey Baba, main to thak gaya, pata nahi ma'am kitni baar karayengi." So when being asked to the child, "Beta, are you really tired?" And the reply was astonishing. The child said, "Ma'am, it is not that I'm tired, but जब भी मैम प्रैक्टिस कराती हैं, मैम बोलती हैं स्माइल, एनर्जी, और मैं थक गया हूँ स्माइल और एनर्जी के लिए." So you can very well imagine how outspoken and confident our Maxfordians are. Coming to the English play, An Evening with Dragon, you won't believe, when I saw the play for the first time, the children were so fluent. They were delivering the dialogue so fast that I had to tell them, "Beta, when you would be performing on the stage, the audience would be hearing you for the first time. So you have to really go slow." So basically, theatre in education does help children in building up their vocabulary, their confidence, their self-esteem, and the list is going to go on. I would like to thank our Executive Director, Sir, for the all-time support and guidance that he had provided us all the time. I would like to thank Taruna ma'am for gracing the occasion. I would like to thank the entire Maxford fraternity, especially the theatre team, the members of the student council, our lovely Maxfordians, the admin staff, the team at head office, and the auxiliary staff. Thanks to one and all. Thanks to all the dear parents for their support and cooperation. Wish you will like the show.
Thank you, ma'am. What you are going to see today is directed by Mr. Rajan Chawla, Executive Director, Phoenix Theatre in Education.